Okay, it is 9:50 in the morning. Just got long X here, 300 shares, enter at 44.45. Currently the stock's down around almost 3%. We had a really bearish day yesterday. You can see it came down just based on the lows, and another bearish morning so far, but I think we're going to get a bounce before we go lower. Take a look at the chart here. The pink line is actually a stronger support level. You can see it touched once, twice, 3 times. So if it gets down there, I'd look to take another trade, but where we're currently at, you can see back here there was some support, and here as well. So I'm going to see what we can get out of the trade, and I will come back and see what we get. Probably stops are going to be low of the day, which is 44.22. So be back in a moment. Okay, it's been around 5 minutes here. Trade popped a little bit for us. Got around 30 cents in the trade. It's really all I'm looking for. Market's not looking too strong today, and yesterday the stock had a pretty bearish day, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and sell here. Let's see here, got around 25 cents now. I just got out there, $70 profit, bought at 44.45, and sold at 44.68. So see what else we can get today. Okay, just got long RIG here. It's a 10-minute chart on my screen. I like the way we've been in a steady uptrend here. You can see with the higher lows, allows this trend line to be intact. And I like how came up here, nice green bar, and a nice controlled pullback, kind of holding in the top range of the move here, so we didn't come too far back down. So going to see if we can get out of the position. Stops will be, let's see here, I got in at 47.69. Stops will be probably 47.50, so give it around 20 cents. And I'm going to look to get maybe to 40, a little bit of 40, above 48. You can see here there's some resistance here at 48-ish, 48.11. So I might just go ahead and take it in the whole number, see how it reacts when it gets there. So I'll be back. Okay, I just exited that position, pretty much got out break even. You can see here on the right side of my screen, the market is starting to come off pretty well in an organized fashion. So wasn't really trying to hold my long position. I did just get up to 47.96. As I said, I was up for 48, and it just went up there and then came right back down like we thought supply might come in. So I did exit the position based on the fact that the market is coming off now a bit, and just didn't want to expose myself to any more risk in this trade. It wasn't seeming as probable as it was when I entered. So let's see what else we get today. Okay, it's around 12 o'clock now. Just got long APC. It's an oil stock. You can see here, came down from the open here from 50.60 down to 49.08, and you can see in this area 49 has been some resistance, so let's see if it can act as some support here. Picked up 300 shares, and I'm going to look for it to get back to around 49.47 here. Stops to be below 49. Alright, market's not doing much on the right here, so we'll see if anything can happen. Okay, it's been around 10 minutes, and got a nice little bounce there. Got around 22 cents in the trade. I was going to hold for 49.43. You can see on the right side of my screen, market is, I'm going to draw this line here. You can see it's, there's some resistance here. Yesterday there was some support, and today seems to be some resistance. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and take the profit here. Consider it also as 12.20. So let's see if I can get filled here at 49.41. There's my offer in the blue. Let's see if one of these computers wants to undercut me. Okay, I got filled for my position. And that was APC long 49.17 and sold at 49.41, 300 shares for a $72 profit. So reasoning behind this trade again was this little cluster of candles here on Friday. The top of this was 49, and we came down here. Today's action, these two large red bars, these are 10-minute bars, so 20 minutes, and tagged 49.10 and came up. And so I thought it'd be a nice place to go long, considering it was into some previous support possibly, and a nice sell-off here straight down. So that was that trade, and see if I get anything else. Okay, just got short here, SPG. See on the chart here, this is yesterday we found some resistance at 89.96, and today we came up to around 89.80 where we are now, came down, now we came all the way up again. So I am thinking that we might find some supply here. You can see down here, relative volume, no extra action happening here to think otherwise that we're going to break through this level. So I went ahead and picked up 300 shares short, and also see what we can get. So I will go ahead and pause the video. It is lunchtime, so it might be kind of slow, but see what happens. Okay, I just got stopped out of that position at 90 even for a $63 loss. So not doing much today. You can see my P&L, made 70, lost 60, made 70, lost 60. So pretty flat on the day so far. See if anything else happens. Okay, it's got long Baidu here off 79 level. Came all the way down from 81 to 79, so around 2 points. And the market recently came off here and found a little tail up. So there's a level here at 78.50-ish. Got in a little bit early. Don't know if it's going to make it all the way down there. So see what happens with this trade. Come back in a moment. Okay, back here it's been around half an hour. Body's moved up a little bit, but not much. I'm not really liking the price action, the feel of it, so the market's just going sideways. I'm just going to go ahead and get out of my trade here for a small winner here. So let's see if we can just get out here at get below the bid. $30. So keeps going up on me. I guess that's not a bad thing. 33. There's my offer, and pass me up. Yeah, it's really just been chopping around here. That's what you get for buying during lunchtime. Go ahead and try to lower my bid again. Okay, I got filled for 100. Okay, got filled for the other 200 there. So that was Baidu long 79.14. Out at 79.33 for a $57 gain. Got out because I bought it, let's see what time, 1:30, and it was kind of just going back and forth and wasn't really doing much. I was just sitting here, and the market was not looking too bullish either. But I can go back on this other trade we did and see how I could have played it much better. You can see SPG, I got short right here, actually 85 or something, and it went up to 90.30, and then it came down nicely, almost $1. And a better way would have been to watch it, see if it can get through this high yesterday, and then once it kind of petered out, and you see it put in this long tail, that would have been a much better place to get short and ride it down as opposed to get it in before on this specific play. So I missed out on a point there, but not a big deal. Hopefully something I will remember next time and actually use in my strategy. So I think that's going to be it for the video.